Okay, we're here in Colorado. Ed and I have been here doing a little snowboarding and drone flying, and we're heading back to the airport. But there's this little town called Georgetown, and it has this big, well, small, medium-sized frozen lake. And I don't know why, I just wanted to fly over it and try something where I take my little GEP-RC rocket and either land on, or even better, skid across the lake and then take back off. So we're gonna give that a try and see what happens. And I already told Ed if it ends up in the middle somewhere and I can't turtle it out or get it out, I'm probably just gonna leave it, because, you know, getting trapped under ice is one of those nightmares everybody has, like falling off a big cliff or whatever, and you don't want it to happen to you. I see my space out there to do this. It's that, sort of clear spot. Again, wishing there were more activity on the lake. I mean, it's great because there's nobody here, so we're not bugging anybody, but also, like, if I don't get it back, if I can't take it back off, is it gonna be stuck out there? We'll see. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, I did it! Sort of. Okay, one more time. Oh, goodness. All right. Yep.
Test.
Yeah, all right.
Do it right here.
All right.
Video's not over.
All right. For those of you that stuck around to the end, I'm gonna try one more time. That sort of worked, right?
Made an eagle leg. You see the puddle.
All right, here we go. One more time. All right. Wow, that was awesome. I'm glad we did that. Yeah, I feel like this is probably a little bit smoother than out there too, because out there is kind of bumpy and some snow and all that stuff. And this would be easy recovery. I could send it out on that ice, and I think it would hold him. We thought this was gonna be a bit of a fail because I was concerned about retrieving this thing out there on that ice, because I didn't really want to walk out on that ice. And then we found this ice patch right here, and we tried it, and it actually worked pretty good. It kind of bounced, but it slid a little bit, and we're cold. We gotta get to the airport, so hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think. If you've ever slid an FPV drone on ice, let us know, because we'd love to hear about it or see footage of it. Ed Ricker, Kelly Shores, Ready Set Drone, signing off.